All right, I'm gonna try to capture this for you. This is the house, but there's so much hustle and bustle going on right now. These guys are getting ready to clean a sewer drain. I've had 2 lawnmowers go by me. I can hear the traffic in the distance, but I mean, I can't hear it. I can barely hear it over the noise around here. So you can see the highway is right here. I'm on the sidewalk, right beside the house, and then the highway, you can see it. But I'm not sure you're gonna be able to hear anything over these guys, people driving by in lawnmowers. It's pretty quiet right now. You may be able to hear.